Hi, this is Bruce, and welcome to part 2 of the jQuery mobile series. So you can see here the results from part 1. We've got a file with a multi-page template taken from the jQuery mobile demos, and with the first page called foo, and a link to a second page called bar. And if we take a look at in Sublime Text, we can see here where we've got the setup loading the jQuery mobile CSS, loading jQuery, the JavaScript, and loading jQuery mobile JavaScript as well. With first page here called foo and a second page here called bar, all within the same index.php file. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a third page and then add a nav bar to the header in order to be able to navigate those 3 pages. So for this first page, we're working on a geolocation project. So I'm going to call this first page home page, and then I'm going to change the name, the ID of the second page to map page. Then I'm going to create that third page just by copying and pasting the second page. Changing the name from map page to directions page. And I'll just save that. Next thing we want to do is add a nav bar so we can navigate to these pages into our header in here. Actually, let me just call this map page, and let me call this geolocation. Okay. So we'll flip back to the jQuery mobile demos page that links from my home page. And down here in widgets, there's a nav bar. We're going to have 3 links or 3 pages in our app. So we'll choose this one for the nav bar, and I'm just going to double click to select, copy, and I'm going to paste that into the header on the home page. Now there's a bit of a problem with copying and pasting in that it doesn't it adds some extra characters, or the encoding adds some extra characters, and so I'm just going to get rid of all the empty spaces here, and hopefully that will be good. Our first page is obviously home page. Second page is map page, and third page is directions page. And we'll save that and upload it and check it out online. So you can see we've got our header with our nav bar, at least on the home page. If I click on map, it takes us to the map page. And if I click on directions, it takes us to what is ostensibly the directions page, even though we don't necessarily see it. So what I could do now is copy and paste this header into the other pages, and certainly that would work. But instead of doing that, what I propose is to use a PHP include. So we can just include the header once and then link to the and then include it on all the pages. That way, if we have to edit our header or our links, we can do it in just one place. So I'm going to copy the header, and then I'm going to cut it and replace it with a PHP include, and I'm going to call my file header.php, close off the PHP statement, save that and upload it. Then I'm going to create a new file where I'm going to paste that header. And I'll take the time here just to indent it properly. So we've got that, and then we've got this, and then we've got our list items, and there we should be pretty good. I'm going to get rid of this UI class active for now, and then we should be good from there. So save that as header.php, the same as the file name that I included. Upload. And now we'll go back and I'll add this include to the other pages. So getting rid of the header that is on the map page and getting rid of the header that is on the directions page. Save it. Upload. Check it online. And so now we can go from geolocation to map to the directions page and back, no problem. Okay. Next, to make it look more like a mobile app, what I'm going to do is change the data position of the footer to fixed. So we'll come on over here and data role footer. So I'm on the home page. Data position equals fixed. So save that. I'll just upload it and check it. Now you can see it is properly placed at the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the footer that I did for the header, and I'll see you in part 3. Hope this helps.